gonna show it to y'all again. 1/8 skizzle shad on the bottom. Pink jig head 1/16. Pink jig head 1/16. We got white chartreuse. And we got the pearl skizzle shad. We're working this way. We're gonna work this way. And it's the same thing, y'all. They underneath the shad. Stay patient. And just reel consistently. Whenever you feel that thump, you'll get them.
Yes, sir.
Donkey, boy. That fucker, they ain't playing no games, boy.
Ooh, look at that.
Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I'm the only one, damn it. That's a freaking 3-pound freaking white bass, yo. Look at this freaking white bass. Do you see that?
Yes.
You see that?
That is huge.
Bro! Freaking bro! Yeah! We put on a clinic. We got 40 pounds of, oh shit. We got 40 pounds of fish. We came out. We gave him the skizzle shad. We gave him some chartreuse. We got crappie. I got some skipjack in here, but these are mostly 2.5 to 3 pound white bass. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Oh.